Onshape, Fusion 360, and Solidworks are major CAD tools, each optimized for different workflows. Solidworks is the standard for mechanical engineering. It's powerful in assemblies, simulation, and precision modeling, but is desktop-based and more expensive. Fusion 360 is cloud-based and integrates CAD, CAM, and simulation into one tool. It's great for prototyping, hobbyists, and small teams. Fusion offers flexibility at a lower price point and runs on multiple platforms. Onshape is also cloud native and built for teams. It offers real time collaboration, built in version control, and works entirely in the browser. While it doesn't have built in CAM like Fusion, it shines in large team environments and distributed workflows. SolidWorks is best for large companies needing industrial grade control. Fusion 360 is great for agile prototyping. Onshape is ideal for modern teams that prioritize collaboration and cloud access.